So good morning. It is the 3rd of January and I hope you all had a good Christmas and have a happy new year, and we managed to do what we achieved and grew some vegetables for the garden for our Christmas dinner, which was good. So we managed some sprouts, we got carrots and a few potatoes. The parsnips, well, that didn't happen, but anyway. We achieved something, which is good. So anyway, it is now 10 o'clock in the morning and I've just popped down, first time this year, have a look, see what's going on. Not much has changed since last year, but a few things have gone in the Polytunnel, so I shall show you. Let's go and have a look. So we have a few broad beans in the next bed along. A few of the end ones got eaten, but we have got a couple and we have got some more in the tunnel. This is the strawberries. They look a bit sad, but hopefully they'll recover. And we have some more strawberries up on the top here. And well, there was some there, but they seem to have gone. In the back row we've got some garlic there. There's one of my strawberries falling down here. So just a brief walk down. This was the veg in one bed, and we've still got some beetroots in there, and some leeks on the end, and kale just in the middle there. Next bed along, just the remains of some sprouts and some fresh horse manure. Next bed along we've got the garlics. These are coming along, 2 lots. That's red germador. Forgotten what the other one was. Or pink germador. Let's have a look at the sign. Dario. And then the last bed along is some remains of carrots, and I think that one's empty. So the frame is now moved from here, and these are going to be more individual beds. I've moved the archway here, because I'm going to have an archway through to the back of the polytunnel, and then the rest is work in progress. That planting down the edge here, slowly filling them up. Just want to get rid of all this grass. So these beds here, there's more garlic. The garlic I did in pots. And this is a wild strawberry. So another new pallet collar borders going in here, and that will be filled up in time with all these. So let's have a look inside the tunnel. When you open the door, you get a nice fresh smell of soil. Lovely. So this is my overwinter potatoes, and my water bucket seems to have gained a leak. Seems to be rather wet at the bottom there, as that was full before Christmas. And anyway, look at my onions. These really need to get in the ground now. And we've got another tray of broad beans, 2 more trays of onions. I should put those in the ground maybe today. They're looking a bit soft. Some more onions. These are the poached egg plants, which probably need thinning out now. And then sweet peas. And in the bottom, still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pots of potatoes. These are the Christmas potatoes. So I'm slowly filling up this bed, and I decided to tip one of these big pots of old tomato plants in the beds. I need a cheap option to fill these up without spending loads. So I've tipped one upside down, stuck it in the pot, and although it looks messy, it is quite soily, if that's a word. So I might continue this, because it is actually quite compact, and if I stick 3 of those along, that's going to fill that bed up nicely, and I can cover it with soil. So these are the pots still remaining, and my water butt from the end. Still need to finish this end. I've got a new plank. This one I'm going to stick here instead. Use that one. And then if I get any more tiles, I can continue the tiles down. Really annoying, my drill is not working, so I can't get on and make my bench that I want to make. And on the far side, we've got some more sprouts over the back. And then looking round, we've got the broccoli, which is still going tall. Thank you for all the comments about this. I've left it, and now I think it's actually sprouting now. So looking forward to that. And we still have some beetroot that's been forgotten, and just a wandering leek. So this is a very quick tour. I shall show you outside what's got on my bench, and then I'd better start work. So this is a very brief tour. It looks like it might rain again soon, as the clouds are coming over. So I better get on and do a bit. Really want to get some onions in. So not quite sure where I'm going to put them, but yes. So one of the jobs I said that I'll do today is to replant these onions. So I've got these onions here, these are the red Japanese ones, and I'm just putting them in rows in this no dig bed. This is just manure and compost on top, just literally de-weeded. Got that many weeds out of my no dig bed, which is really good. So let's carry on, do the rest. So here we have the Japanese onions. Good job done. Just feels so much better to do something. Good. Quite interesting to see these kale roots that I've just dumped here next to this bed, and they've actually started re-sprouting. There's their own. Actually stuck in there now, they've grown in the ground. Look at that. Regrown. Well, I never knew that. So just a quick rundown of what I have done today. I've replanted the strawberries. That was in the pots. I've also given all the beds a bit of a going over with the hoe. I've now sourced a new bed for this end, so I've got matching beds. I've potted up the kale, 3 pots. It was growing on the edge of the bed, and now I have one bed here that's near enough ready for planting. The job I've done is to put the Japanese onions into this bed, so they will stay there now for a while. And I've also put these beds here just as a temporary, so I shall see what that looks like, and then maybe get some cardboard to put over this grass. Just looking at my flowers, I've just got a couple of onions in a pot here that didn't grow, so I've stuck them in there. Just a few strawberry runners, see if I can bring them on. And I've also put some onions in here. These are HI Keeper F1s. I know you're supposed to do it indoors, but this polytunnel is really warm at the moment, and it's also just condensating in there since I've just done that. But we shall see what happens. Just experiments. Need to get these broad beans out one day. It's all looking good. Does anyone else find it hard to get going when there's so many jobs to do? Okay, have fun.